Hi, my name is Johan van Zyl, and today I'm going to give a very brief explanation on why myopia is actually so dangerous. What is myopia? Myopia is short-sightedness. Now, you are born with a certain eyeball size. Now, if you are born short-sighted, it already means that your eyeball is a little bit larger than normal, and you might be predisposed to an increase in myopia or short-sightedness. Now, imagine now your child goes and reads a lot. And the more the child is looking closer, the more the eye is programmed to get better for looking close. There's a tenet or a golden rule that describes environmental change. And it says basically if you change the body function, you will eventually alter the structure. So if your child spends a lot of time looking close, the chances that your child's eyes will become stronger for looking close is greatly increased. So the more the eye now becomes stronger for looking close, the bigger it becomes. So yes, the eyeball becomes bigger, and as the eyeball becomes bigger, it actually stretches. The jelly that's inside the eye also stretches. But the more the jelly is stretched, more than the normal eyeball size, it's like a spring that you are tensing up. So if your eyeball is a certain size, the jelly is under a certain type of tension, and your eye jelly is impact resistant, it is strong, it can handle knocks. But now that eye jelly of yours is starting to stretch and stretch and stretch because the eyeball is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And what is actually happening? Not only is the skin part of the eyeball stretching, especially on the back side of the eyeball, where the retina is and where your area is, which contributes to that detailed looking, but the eye jelly is also being stretched. And unfortunately, what happens is as you grow older, your eye inside changes, that eye jelly, that vitreous changes. And like in my case, 40 years later, a small little bump on my head, and I developed a retinal detachment.